Okay, this is the Bubble Up burping contest. Big Sur. Go.
2009.
Take your drinks. August 2009. Let it rip.
What do you got for us?
Yep, is that the best you got? Little girl on the left seems to be winning this contest.
You can't fake burp. It's cheating.
Why is that cheating? That's a bubble up burp. Max, you got anything? Nate, come on, what you doing?
I'm waiting for a good one.
Okay, Bennett, you got a burp for us?
I can't get anything. I remember last night.
Guzzle.
Bennett, you got a burp for us?
Go, more than that.
You're just jumping up and down there.
Go.
I'm trying to get it.
Does the jumping help?
Yes,
Is that part of it?
It's fizzy.
It makes it fizzy in her belly? I don't know. It's a weird
Down it goes. Probably.
I think it's just funny to watch them all.
It's the bubble up bouncing contest.
Just, did you burp yet?
Mom didn't already finish theirs.
Yeah, you should have some good burps to show. Okay, Zoe seems to be winning by a long time. Oh, that was a good one.
And now I better start jumping.
Bennett, you got anything?
It smells.
I can't see Rachel. Rachel, you burping at all?
Oh, that come out of his nose?
Hey!
Bubble up, girl.